Yep, it's going.
Get him.
No, it's still there.
That's that live boy.
It's a live one. It's the bluefish. We're on.
Oh, it's off the live bluefish?
Yep.
That could be anything. That could be.
We're on. We are on. We are on. I have no idea what this is. All I know is it's running.
Oh yeah. I was like, Tristan, go. I can't believe that's on a live bluefish. Oh yeah.
It feels like what we had last time, which was a red, but much smaller.
You got your camera going?
I think so.
You better be.
I hope so. It's running out of space, so I gotta start downloading this. Yeah, it was the live bluefish.
That's what you guys caught it on before?
No, this is we had a live. We had the live whiting that the stingray
Those
ripped.
lives are hitting so well. They're hitting quick on those lives.
The lives, yeah, the lives are in there so quick.
Too, because it's like.
Nah, this is a shark. This is very sharky. It's not strong enough to run though. Yeah, like there it goes. There we go. Now it's peeling.
I wouldn't rule out anything. I wouldn't rule out anything what this is. Dude,
it's not a stingray. The stingray did not run like that.
You can't rule out anything. It's a kilogram of cocaine, dude.
Yeah, it's a kilogram of cocaine.
I know. I want to know where I looked at it earlier.
Dude, we're so close to seeing what this is. It's fighting like a shark, though. It's kicking. Look, you just saw the tail. You saw the bubble.
Because the lettuce is on, dude.
Oh my God, it's another red. It's a huge red. It's another huge red. Oh my God. It's a huge red. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, get him.
Oh my God.
I'm just gonna pull the.
Oh my God. It's a different one. The tail's intact. No. We just gotta get out of my way. I'm grabbing the leader.
All right.
I'm grabbing the fucking leader.
You want me to hold the rod?
No, I got this one. Oh my God, dude.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that's a monster. That's a monster.
That's the second one.
No, he's not gonna lose him.
No, he's in the bottom. It's hooked in the bottom of the mouth.
Good.
Yeah, like look at him. He's swimming upside down.
From the line.
Oh my God, on the bluefish.
Let's go, baby. Get him.
Oh.
I'm just gonna hold this.
Look at that.
Pull him up.
Look at that. Oh my God. 2 for 2 on the bull red. Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo.
On a live bluefish. Because they're hitting off those
Oh
lives.
my God.
And the bluefish here are scared. We gotta catch more of those.
We got 2 more in the box.
That's a monster.
Dude, this is bigger than the last one, and it's different the tail.
Yeah, do you have a camera? Dude, we're not leaving here tonight. This is our whole night. We have two different bull reds. Those are monsters, dude.
And again, the 4th time this thing's run, and I'm like, oh, it's gotta be a shark. Not one of them has been a shark. Dude, your gill plate is so hard.
Just bring any of them down. We'll make it work.
It's like under his tongue. I can't get him.
I cannot believe it. On a live bluefish? Yeah.
Can you bring the shark hooker? Can you get the shark hooker? Oh, nope, I got it. Never mind, I popped it. Yeah.
Hold him up, let's get him back in.
Holy cow.
I got you.
Oh my slob.
Yes.
Holy cow. Look at this thing.
Yo.
Look. Oh, we got a double spot on this side. Hold on, take a picture of the double spot. Zoom in on that.
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
That's so awesome.
5 times with guys and not get one. Dude. Look like.
Well, oh yeah, go over here. Hold on, yeah. The scenery.
Why does he keep his mouth open?
Or maybe that's too much, like, go right.
Yeah.
Or is he just trying to get in?
No, it's because of how I'm pushing on the gill plate.
Yeah, all right. Dude, what the
Dude, that's so insane. Oh my God. And that was on live. The first one was on cut.
It's gotta be live. They're very durable. They're very, very durable. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Oh.
Rub him, work him a little bit and he'll be good. That's insane.
Dude, this fish. Oh, there he goes. You ready? You ready to go with the tide?
Well, those are my
Yeah. One more kick. I'm gonna lay. One more push.
The blues are here. Yeah.
You ready?
The little baby blues are here.
You ready?
We gotta get some more.
One more kick. Next kick, I'm releasing you.
Damn.
You tried. He tried twice.
Yeah.
Come on. Here we go.
He'll be good.
Look at that. So we got one spot on this side.
You got two on the other.
And two on this side. What a pretty fish.
Yeah.
I'm making sure that I got that on video.
Yeah, for sure.
Look,
dude.
see, you can see the sea lice biting in on his fins
yeah,
right there.
Yeah.
They'll go to North Carolina and they'll stay offshore.
Come on.
You're good, bud.
They might not all go away and come back.
Oh, you're about to just kick off right there.
Did you get him back in or what?
No, I can. He's just going a little slow. Trying to revive him properly, yeah. Trying to make sure he doesn't sink. It's a beautiful fish. You want to make sure he actually
Yeah.
Getting the lungs there.
yeah, getting enough. There he goes. He's grunting. That's good. Here you go. I'm feeling the tail kick a little bit.
You got to give him movement.
Yeah.
Movement. Yeah. There you go. You just got to get the oxygen back into his gills.
Oh.
What's going?
Oh, yeah.
Another one?
Grab it.
Oh my God.
Is he okay?
Push the paddle on the right.
I think you should let him.
No, he's got to swim. He's got to kick off on his own. Make sure the paddle's up on that one.
Paddle up.
Yeah, we're good.
Good? Yeah. That's a shark. Oh no! Oh, that was a huge shark.
All right. With the shark coming, I'm gonna pull you out of the water again, buddy.
Man, that snapped that line right away.
It snapped the line.
Yeah, I heard.
That's a shark. It turned. It was a big, huge shark.
With the shark coming, I'm gonna go inside so I don't lose a hand.
Dude, we gotta.
I'm gonna make sure this thing is revived.
The leader. It doesn't matter.
Oh, I know.
The
Yeah.
leader.
The tail hits it.
I just want to make sure I don't lose a hand reviving this guy.
I think you gotta let him go.
Yeah, but gotta make sure he's ready to go.
There's nothing you can do. When he turned.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
The little rig on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's a shark.
Yeah, no, if the line's cut, that's a shark. There's nothing you could have done.
As soon as he turned and started running, his tail got hit. And the perfect ones you actually need, like.
There you go. There it is. There it was. I just did the last little push and then he kicked.